Say hi.
Hello guys.
Today we're at a train ride. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
So let's see how fun this is going to be. I'm going to have to go in here because I can't see anything. So right now, guys, we are just... Yeah. It's taking a while.
Yeah, we're on the bridge.
I can't really see anything, but hopefully you guys can. Sorry for this video, because the quality of this being crap. But hopefully you guys can see everything. And I'll be back to you in a second.
Really clear.
Great, there's a school here.
Hey, look, I'm in my natural habitat. Climb.
So right now we're waiting for reservations over there for you guys to see. I'm sorry for this video for being the quality crap. So I'll get to you in a little. Here's the train!
Oh my god! That's scary! This better be fast.
Are you part of this group?
What is your
I'll give you a 2-week to 2-month crash, depending on how rich you are to it. If you're a parent, I'll give you a very fun car ride home.
Okay.
And even if you grab a plant that isn't poison oak, since we're moving, if you let go of it, you'll whack your neighbor in the face and you'll be stuck with them for the next hour and 15 minutes while they're steaming in anger at you.
What the heck?
So if you don't grab any plants, we can avoid all of that. Simple enough. Keep your mask on, remain seated, don't grab plants. If you haven't checked out her work yet, I'd recommend checking it out after the Draw your attention to the front of the train. We have our number 2 engine. Here's the second train. Number 2 designation. We're moving to oil burn.
Oh, this is so cool! Alright!
This is scary!
Oh my
god!
Narrow gauge refers to the distance between the 2 rails, being narrower than the American standard gauge of 4 feet 8.5 inches. On this railroad, we run on a 3-foot narrow gauge, so there's 3 feet between the 2 rails, as that was one of the most commonly used narrow gauges for logging railroads.
Hey, do you guys think this is fun? I can't hear me! Wow!
And narrow gauge is used for a couple of reasons, but can essentially be summed up with the fact that it's
So crazy! You're gonna be on YouTube!
It also meant that less land needed to be excavated to lay those rails down.
Taking out their bones.
Oh my god! This is so crazy! Look at all the smoke, guys!
We're now into a location very creatively named Big Trees. Most of these big trees around us are known as Sequoia sempervirens. For 42 feet.
Oh my god! We just saw a tree that was taller than the Statue of Liberty!
Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys!
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but this is wow!
And so at this point for the rest of the train ride, there's no need to stand up and do it.
Look at all that smoke! Oh my god!
Say hi.
Hi.
You're a horror.
Okay.
here, they look like massive parking people. These first do get a little bit confused though. They like to go to our all wooden water tower facing out and come close and do it. Only to realize that there's no food on the other side, so we spent thousands of dollars of water to consume.
Alright, guys, we're back. And yeah. We're in a different area right now. I don't know what area. Yeah.
And while we're stopped here, you can kind of get a better view of how the corkscrew trestle would have worked. Over to our left, at about the same level we're at now, is the low bridge.
And now we just
We can hit
stopped.
the dirt on the other side.
Yeah, but now we just stopped. We don't know why.
The tracks will continue up and around the front of where our train currently is, and then go over the high bridge, it starts over to our right and continues to steep, making this the steepest set of narrow gauge tracks in North America.
Okay, guys. Now we are going back.
Oh my god, guys. Backwards. Yeah. One backward.
Woo! Okay, and we'll see you when we get there. Sorry, guys, but it looks like we're going this way again. Last time we were going this way. Last time we saw you guys, but now this way. Oh well.
This is weird.